Okay, for VS Code, you simply have two parts. Okay, this one is known as your activity bar, and wherein you have your menu and you have your sidebar. Then of course, this is called your editor group now. So if you have multiple files open here na in-edit, kaya tinawag natin siyang editor group. Okay, so to set up your working environment, make sure that you create first a folder. So, mga kanina, no? Sa ito, webtech. And then you simply have to open it here in VS Code. So open folder, no? Not open file. Practice using this one. You always open a folder and not a file. So open folder. Let's select webtech. Okay, and then after that, you can now create a new file. So to create a new file, you simply have to press Ctrl N. Okay, then let's just save it. And let's name this index.html. Okay. So once you have your file, VS Code is intelligent enough to know that it will use the Emmet shortcuts for more efficient coding. So one example is when you make use of when you type the exclamation point, then you press enter, it would now generate a template for your HTML page. So take note, pag gumagamit kayo ng Emmet, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-type ng open and close symbol for tags. No? Type nyo lang, let's say for example, H1. Press enter, matik na yan. Nasa gitna na rin yung cursor natin. Ready for and go. Welcome to HTML coding. Okay, so the next shortcut is for tags. No? Let's say for example, H3. And if you want a paragraph, just type P. So matik na yan. If you want UL, pwede tayong gumawa ng UL followed by yung child niya, which is LI. Yung OL, ordered list. Tapos, LI. Just enter. Okay, if you want multiple lists, UL, LI, pwede mong multiply ng 5 para meron kang 5 na list. So, other shortcuts, meron tayong Control B to open or to show and hide your file explorer. You also have your Control colon or slash to split the window into two. Yan. So, break lang natin. So, assuming meron tayong isa pang file, Control N, Control S, about that, HTML. Yan. So, ito yung ating about. Let's just generate the document type. So, multiple caps. And then lastly, the shortcut that you should be familiar with is Control Shift tilde, which would launch your terminal. Magagamit natin to pagka nagigit na tayo, no? When you want to push your um, codes to your online repository. So that's it for now. Practice muna kayo. I hope you get familiar with your VS Code environment.